Hello dear students, today's challenger question is from the trigonometry. The question is, if sin a plus sin square a is equal to 1, then find out the value of cos raised to 12a plus 3 cos raised to 10a plus 3 cos raised to 8a plus cos raised to 6a plus 2 cos raised to 4a plus 2 cos square a minus 2. So this is the question. Try to solve this question on your own. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. If you observe this quantity here, says cos raised to 12a plus 3 cos raised to 10a plus 3 cos raised to 8a plus cos raised to 6a. So this much of quantity, if you observe it, this is in the form of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In place of a, here we can write cos raised to 4a, and in place of b we can write cos square a, right? It means this is the identity for a plus b whole cube. It means here in place of this much of quantity, we can write cos raised to 4a plus cos square a whole cube. And from the remaining quantity, this is 2 cos raised to 4a plus 2 cos square a minus 2. Here from this, if you take 2 common, so remaining will be cos raised to 4a plus cos square a minus 1. Okay. Now if you observe the given data, here it is given that here sin a plus sin square a is equals to 1. So if you take this sin square a to the right hand side, it becomes 1 minus sin square a, and 1 minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a. So here we get cos square a is equal to sin a, and if you do the square on both sides, so we can write sin square a will be equal to cos raised to 4a. So here in place of cos raised to 4a, we can write sin square a. In place of cos square a, we can write sin a whole cube plus 2 multiplies. In place of cos raised to 4a, again we can write sin square a. This cos square a becomes sin a minus 1. So here this value of sin square a plus sin a, that is given in the question only. The sin square a plus sin a, that is equal to 1. So in place of this we can write this will be equal to 1 cube plus twice. Now if you see, this is sin square a plus sin a minus 1. So here in the given values, if you take this 1 to this side, so we can write here that sin square a plus sin a, if you take that 1 to left hand side, it becomes minus 1 equals to 0. It means value of this quantity will be 0. So we get the answer 1. Okay, this is how we can solve this challenge question. Now let's try to solve this another challenger question on your own. You can see the question: cos square a plus 2 sin square a plus 3 cos square a plus 4 sin square a plus 5 cos square a up to 200 terms. The sum of all these 200 terms is equal to 10,025, and where a is the acute angle. So find out the value of sin a minus cos a. Try to solve this question on your own, and if you can click on the I button here to see the solution. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.